Hello, today's video is an overview of 4 Ancestry DNA products: the National Geographic Genome Project, Family Tree DNA, 23andMe, and Ancestry DNA. I took these 4 tests and I was curious as to how accurate they were, so I compared them at the continental level. If they're reasonably accurate, they should be close. They won't be exactly the same because they're estimates, but they should be within a few percentage points of each other at each continent. All right, let's take a look at them and see how they look. So here are the National Geographic results. We scroll down here. This is the continental view. It is 69% African, 29% Europe, and 2% Asia. And that's the continental view. We'll compare this next to Family Tree DNA. Family Tree DNA at the continental level is 67% Africa, 29% Europe, and less than 4% Middle Eastern, which is sort of Asia. So very closely matches the view here. Also, I can point out here that it does have a little bit of India and North Africa for the continental view, which matches the Middle East, North Africa here. So very close between these two. Africa is 69% here, 67 here. Europe is 29 here, and it's 29 here, and then we have the two Middle Eastern, North Africa. All right, so next is 23andMe. 23andMe is 68.2% Sub-Saharan African, 29.9% European. There's a little bit of East Asia, Indigenous America. There's some trace ancestries. So there's a little bit of Central Asia, Filipino, and that did match the Northern India from the National Geographic result. So at the continental level, they're pretty close. And then for the Ancestry DNA, it doesn't have a continental breakdown, but you can see the regions in the map. Europe and Africa, so it comes to 69% African and 31% European, a little bit more European. Also, I think Ancestry has a higher threshold for reporting it, so it has to be a little bit more than 1% or so. So some of the smaller things, they don't get reported. So it's 69 Africa and 31% European. So overall, these 4 results are pretty close at the continental level. About 60, high 60s for Africa, and 29%, a little bit more for Ancestry DNA. So these are the results.